Hey everyone, we're gonna open some gifts today. Are you excited, baby Sammy? How you do that? Excited? Say hooray.
Hooray.
And how you say? Are you excited, baby Sammy? Hey, do you hear that sound? I think it's Santa Claus.
You better watch out, you better not cry, you better not pout, I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town.
He's got us a present, what's it about? Let's open this box and check it out. Santa Claus is coming to town. Oh wow, that's amazing! I love this toy. It's a bracelet that lights up. There's another present, can I open it now? I hope it's fun, I hope it's wow. Santa Claus is coming to town. What's in the box? Oh wow, it's a little duck. I love it. I have another present. I think I like it too. I love Christmas with family. Merry Christmas to all of you. I'm so excited for this box. What is it? Oh wait, it's Baby Shark.
Better watch out, you better not cry, better not pout, I'm telling you why. Santa Claus has come to our town.
What is your advice for today, baby Sammy? What should Genie do? Wash hands. Wow, what is that? It's a genie.
Ding ding.
Yes, that's a nice genie. Wow.
Shoes.
Yes, he's wearing nice shoes.
Yay.
Yay. Wow.
Pants.
Pants, he has pants on. That's amazing.
Open.
Okay, another box. Come sit like this. Let's open one more box. What's in this one? Oh, it's your baby chicken. What does your baby chicken do? Okay. See this. See someone. What does baby chicken do?
This
Oh,
one. This one.
You want to open this one?
This one.
Let's take it. Okay, this says your name on it. Wow, what is it? Here, you want to take it out?
Chicken.
Take it out. What is it? Oh, it's a flower with a butterfly.
Mama.
Yes. So nice. Yes.
Round.
Wow, where's the bee?
Mama here.
Somewhere saying Merry Christmas. Say Merry Christmas.
Making
Good job.